For close round 27, we make a slip stitch into very first single crochet. Now round 27 is finished. This is round 27. Round 28 is like round 6 and 11. We want to make this leaf like round 6 and 11. So we work into 3 chain space and V shapes, a double crochet top of this V shape, three double crochet into 3 chain space, 1, 2 and 3, a double crochet 3 steps like this into this 3 chain space, 1 step, 2 step and 3. Now a triple crochet top of this popcorn into this popcorn, a triple crochet. Now a picot, 3 chain, a picot into the 2 loops, we make a slip stitch and a picot. Another triple crochet into popcorn, a double crochet 3 steps into next 3 chain space, 1, 2, 3. Now 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Now for these V shape into 2 V shape here and here, we want to make a cluster, 2 double crochet cluster. First one here, top of this, we keep 2 loop, another double crochet into next V shape and 3 loops on the hook and a cluster. Now 3 double crochet into next 3 chain space, 1, 2 and 3, and another double crochet 3 steps, a triple crochet top of popcorn, a picot, another triple crochet top of popcorn, a double crochet 3 steps, 3 double crochet, now 2 double crochet cluster into V shape, 1 top of these loops, one double crochet and second one into next V shape. Now 3 loops on the hook and a cluster. We continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here